Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can change your name to a single word in Facebook. Now, Facebook does not allow this natively, but in this video, I'll show you guys a workaround for this. So make sure you watch it till the end. So first thing I'm gonna do is download a VPN app, which will let you connect to an Indonesian server. These were the two VPNs that I have. The VPN Indonesia is the one I'm using. As you can see, I'm already connected to an Indonesian server. You can even use VPN LAT. It's also pretty reliable. But yeah, it does hang out a bit, so I would suggest VPN Indonesia. It's a little better. Once you've connected to an Indonesian VPN, go back to your Facebook account. And once you're in here, tap on the top right corner on the hamburger menu. Once you're in here, scroll down, tap on settings again. And under here, tap on account center, tap anywhere on the screen. Over here, tap on profiles, and under profiles, tap on your profile. And as you can see now, there is an option where I can tap on name. And under here, you will see that I have currently two names, a last and a first. I'll remove both of them for your ease. And let's say I put in a name. That's it. And for the last name, just tap in space. That's it. Now tap on review change. And there you go. Now this is a single word and I can save it up. Now if you try this without using the VPN, it will tell you that the name is too short, and yeah, it will not work like that. So make sure you connect to an Indonesian server or a Japanese server and do this. Once you're happy with your name, click on save changes. And that's it. Now I have a single word as a name on my Facebook account. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.